folks, I'm Toby from M&M Service. I run Nissan Leaf Battery Upgrade Europe. M&M Service, see, please ignore either the barking dog or the neighbour's engines or anyone else who chooses to drive up and down the road. But I just wanted to say a few words. I've had a couple of the Vivne battery kits delivered here. They've both been of the kind of quality that I'm more than happy to have representing my business. They were both very easy to build, very straightforward, good instructions, good quality kit, and the backup where I've had little queries and questions and so on during the build or after the build has been really well handled by Cora. So yeah, I'm really happy to give my blessing to Vivne. I can't think of the right word, but you know what I mean. Cora and her team at Vivne, who are producing an excellent product, and the beauty is it's going to massively extend the life of the Nissan Leafs, added to the fact that with the cattle cells that they use, there's less heating, which is one of the problems that can put people off from a Leaf. I heartily recommend them, which is why I've got two, both with battery upgrades. Enjoy, guys.